Welcome to another insightful video where we aim to make your financial journey smoother. Today we delve into the intriguing world of budgeting, a world that, when navigated wisely, can lead to a treasure chest of savings. Picture this, your bank account, but with more zeros at the end of each month. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? But achieving this requires a map, a strategy, and that's where budgeting comes into play. Budgeting is akin to a financial compass, guiding you towards your monetary goals while keeping you on track. It's about understanding your income, managing your expenses, and making conscious decisions about where your money goes. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 15 ingenious hacks that will help you trim down your monthly budget, leaving you with more to save or spend on things that truly matter. Stick around to uncover 15 incredible money-saving hacks that will drastically reduce your monthly budget. Thanks for tuning in, viewers. If you're finding this content valuable, there's so much more to come, filled with even more amazing tips, tricks, and inspiration. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay connected with us and never miss out. And while you're at it, drop a comment below and share this video with your friends. Starting off at number 15, we have meal planning. Now, this isn't just about deciding what to eat for dinner. It's about mapping out your meals for the week or even the month to reduce waste and eliminate those last-minute takeout orders that blow your budget. By planning your meals, you can create a targeted grocery list, which not only saves you time but also money as it reduces impulse buys. Plus, it helps you make healthier choices. You can also plan meals based on what's on sale or in season, further increasing your savings. And let's not forget the benefit of less food waste. By planning your meals, you'll only buy what you need, reducing the amount of food that ends up in the trash. So plan your meals, cut down on the takeouts, and watch your savings grow. At number 14, we suggest you utilize public transportation. Now, you may be wondering why. Well, let's dive right into it. Public transportation, be it buses, trams, or trains, often comes with a significantly lower price tag than maintaining and fueling a personal vehicle. Let's not forget those pesky insurance premiums and occasional repair costs that come with owning a car. By switching to public transit, you can cut those expenses out of your budget entirely. But it's not only about the money. Commuting via public transportation also gives you time. Time to read, time to plan your day, or even time to learn something new through a podcast or audiobook. And there's an added bonus. You're also doing your part for the environment. Fewer cars on the road mean less pollution and a healthier planet. Not only will you save money, but you'll also contribute to a greener environment. Coming in at number 13, cancel unnecessary subscriptions. We often sign up for subscriptions with the best intentions, but before we know it, they become just another monthly expense. It's easy to forget about that gym membership you never use, or the streaming service you only watch once in a blue moon. But these forgotten subscriptions are siphoning money from your pockets. The best way to tackle this is to take an inventory of all your subscriptions. Are you actively using them all? If not, it's time to cancel. And remember, many subscriptions auto-renew, so even if you've stopped using a service, you could still be paying for it. Be sure to check your bank statements regularly to catch these pesky auto payments. All these small monthly charges might seem insignificant on their own, but they can amount to a significant chunk of change over the course of a year. Remember, every little subscription adds up. Hack number 12 is a classic buy in bulk. Now, this isn't about hoarding, it's about smart shopping. When you buy non-perishable items in bulk, you're essentially buying at wholesale prices, which can mean significant savings over time. Items like canned goods, rice, pasta, and even toiletries can be bought in larger quantities for less per unit. It's like getting an automatic discount every time you shop. And let's not forget about the time you save with fewer trips to the store. This is especially beneficial for busy individuals or families. It's a win-win situation. You save money and time, and you always have a stock of essentials at your disposal. But remember, buying in bulk is only effective when it's items you regularly use and not just because it's on sale. Unused items gathering dust is a waste, not a saving. Bulk buying is a simple and effective way to save money. At number 11, we have energy efficiency. It's mind-boggling how being conscious of our energy consumption can lead to significant savings. Think of it this way. Every light left on, every device left plugged in, every unnecessary degree on the thermostat, they all add up. Consider swapping out your old light bulbs for energy-efficient LEDs. They may cost a bit more up front, but they last longer and consume less energy, so they pay for themselves in the long run. And what about those home appliances? Choose energy-efficient models when it's time for a replacement. Then there's your heating and cooling system. A well-insulated home reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling, and therefore, energy. And remember, it's not just about saving money, it's about reducing our carbon footprint too. Being energy efficient is not only good for your pocket, but also for the planet. Halfway through our list at number 7, we have DIY projects. Who doesn't love a good do-it-yourself project? Not only can it be a fun way to spend a weekend, but it can also save you a pretty penny. Whether it's creating homemade gifts, refurbishing old furniture, or even tackling home repairs, DIY projects can significantly cut costs. You'll be surprised at the amount you can save when you take matters into your own hands. Of course, it's important to know your limits. If a project is beyond your skill level, it's best to call in a professional. But for smaller tasks, why not give it a try? There are countless resources online, from blogs to video tutorials, that can guide you through just about any project, so roll up your sleeves and start saving. Moving on to number 9, we suggest you shop secondhand. It's a brilliant way to make your money stretch further. Secondhand items can be a treasure trove of quality, durability, and uniqueness. You'll be surprised at the gems you can find. From clothes and books to furniture and electronics, the secondhand market is bustling with great deals. You can find these items in thrift stores, garage sales, online marketplaces, and even charity shops. Shopping secondhand not only saves you money, but it's also a sustainable choice that reduces waste and extends the life of items. The savings can be substantial. Some secondhand items are up to 75% cheaper than their new counterparts. Imagine the money you could save over a year, so next time you need something, consider the secondhand market. You might find a hidden gem or two, and your wallet will thank you. After all, secondhand doesn't always mean second best. At number 8, we have take advantage of discounts and coupons. There's a whole world of savings waiting for you at your fingertips. Online and in-store, discounts and coupons are more accessible than you might think. Let's start with the basics. Sign up for email newsletters from your favorite brands. Often they'll send discounts and exclusive deals straight to your inbox. Next, consider joining loyalty programs. Many businesses reward their loyal customers with special offers and points that can be redeemed for future purchases. Don't forget about coupon websites and apps. They compile deals from various sources, making it easy for you to find the best ones. Also, be on the lookout for special occasions or seasonal sales when discounts are typically higher. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a good old-fashioned newspaper coupon. They may seem outdated, but they can still bring substantial savings. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Lucky number 7 is automate savings. Let's delve into this intriguing concept. What if I told you there's a way to save money without even thinking about it? That's what automated savings is all about. It's like having a personal financial assistant who's always working in the background, slowly and steadily building your wealth. This modern marvel of money management allows you to automatically transfer a set amount from your checking account to your savings account on a regular schedule. It can be as much or as little as you want and as often as you choose. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. The benefits of this approach are numerous. It takes the decision-making out of the equation, reduces the temptation to spend, and most importantly, it allows your savings to grow consistently over time. This is a particularly powerful tool for budgeting, as it ensures that you're setting aside money for the future no matter what. Set it and forget it and watch your savings grow. Moving into the top 5 with number 6, we have eliminate debt. Debt, a word that can send chills down the spine. Yet it's a common part of many people's financial journey. However, it shouldn't be a permanent resident in your budget. Eliminating debt is crucial for gaining financial freedom. It's like removing a weight that's been holding you down, giving you the freedom to save, invest, and truly control where your money goes. But how do you start? It's simple. Prioritize. Start with high-interest debt, often credit cards. Pay more than the minimum and watch it shrink. Then move on to other debts like student loans or mortgages. It's a journey, not a race. Every dollar put towards eliminating debt is a step towards financial freedom. Remember, it's not just about getting rid of debt, it's about changing habits. Avoid unnecessary borrowing and live within your means. Remember, the best investment is paying off your debt. Cracking the top 5 at number 5, we have establish a rainy day fund. This isn't about pouring your hard-earned money down some proverbial drain. No, it's about building a financial cushion, a safety net that's there for you when life throws a curveball. Think of it as an insurance policy against life's little surprises. Your car breaks down out of the blue? No problem. You've got a rainy day fund. Unexpected medical bills? Fear not. Your rainy day fund has you covered. So, how do you start building this fund? Simply set aside a small portion of your income each month. It doesn't have to be a huge amount. Even a few dollars can gradually grow into a substantial sum. The key is consistency. Remember, life is unpredictable. Having a rainy day fund gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. After all, a rainy day fund is your financial umbrella. At number 4, we recommend Dine In, Not Out. Now, we all enjoy a nice meal out on occasion, but if you're looking to save money, it's time to explore the joys of cooking at home. Consider this: the average cost of a restaurant meal can be 2 to 3 times more than the cost of ingredients for a home-cooked meal. Now multiply that by how often you eat out and you'll see how quickly those costs can add up. But it's not just about the cost. Cooking at home allows you to control what goes into your meals. You can make healthier choices, use fresh ingredients, and even cater to specific dietary needs. And let's not forget the satisfaction that comes from preparing a delicious meal yourself. There's a sense of accomplishment that adds an extra flavor to your food. In conclusion, dining in is a win-win situation. Home-cooked meals are not only healthier but also lighter on the wallet. Coming in at number 3, we have use cash, not credit. Now, this might sound old-fashioned, but hear me out. Credit cards, while convenient, can be a slippery slope into debt. It's easy to swipe away and forget that every purchase is a loan you'll have to repay, often with high interest. On the other hand, using cash or a debit card ties your spending to the money you actually have. It's tangible, it's real, and when it's gone, it's gone. There's a certain power in physically handing over your hard-earned cash, a power that makes you think twice about each purchase. Moreover, it's worth noting that using cash can help you avoid those pesky credit card fees. And if you're worried about building credit, there are other ways to do that without racking up debt. Remember, if you can't pay cash, you can't afford it. Almost at the top at number 2, we have prioritize needs over wants. Let's talk about the significance of understanding what you need versus what you just want. This is a crucial step in effective budgeting. Needs are those things that are essential for your survival and well-being. Think about food, shelter, clothing, healthcare. These are non-negotiables. On the other hand, wants are those things that enhance or improve our life, but we can survive without them. Designer clothes, the latest gadgets, luxury vacations, these fall into the want category. When you prioritize needs over wants, you are making a conscious decision to spend your money wisely. It doesn't mean you can't indulge in your wants sometimes, but it's about making sure your needs are met first. So, the next time you're about to make a purchase, ask yourself, is this a need or a want? It's a simple question, but it can have a profound impact on your financial health. Needs come first, wants can wait. And finally, at number 1, the most effective hack is track your spending. This is the cornerstone of any successful budgeting plan. Tracking your spending means knowing where every single penny goes. It's about being accountable to yourself and your financial goals. You can do this in a number of ways. You could use a simple spreadsheet, a notebook, or a budgeting app. The method isn't as important as the act of doing it. By tracking your spending, you can see exactly where your money is going, identify any problem areas, and make necessary adjustments. For instance, you might notice you're spending a surprising amount on takeout food, or your subscription services are adding up. These are areas you can then target for savings. Remember, knowledge is power. When you know where your money is going, you can make it work for you. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. And there you have it, 15 money-saving hacks to slash your monthly budget. We've journeyed together from meal planning to energy efficiency, from eliminating debt to establishing a rainy day fund. Each of these steps, while seemingly small in isolation, can combine to have a powerful impact on your financial situation. Remember, it's not just about saving money, it's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that allows you to thrive now and in the future. By prioritizing needs over wants and tracking your spending, you're setting yourself up for financial success. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with a well-managed budget. Now that's something worth striving for. It's a journey, and each step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. So, are you ready to take these hacks and make them a part of your everyday life? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Until next time, keep saving and keep thriving.